What's up, guys? It's Semi aka Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on this channel, because we do a lot of great stuff and we review a lot of great things, guys. So don't miss out on anything. Do all those steps. Alright, guys, as you see, I have my YouTube channel loaded up in the back, and there's a reason why I loaded it up, because I want to show you something that I did 2 years ago that I'm going to revisit today. It's a great premium service that I did 2 years ago. It's the one right here. You can see it right here that those two, they're the same one. This is the original one, and this is a month later after my initial review. I had such great positive review on this one. Like, people love it. I had people that are still having it from when I reviewed it then. They still have it to this day, because they do offer great service, great channels. It's very steady. Everybody that's talked to me, that I still talk to, that still has the service, that have told me, dude, this thing is great. This is still running. I just renewed it for the longest time. I'm very happy with the service. And this is on all my platforms. It's just on YouTube, on Rumble, on Odyssey. Everywhere they saw this video on, they subscribe to this premium service. And it's awesome, guys. They love it. So I'm going to do another full review on this again, just to show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this service right here called Catchon TV. Catchon has been around for, apparently they told me they've been around for 5 years. But when I did the review, it was 2 years ago. You can see the dates right there. It says 2 years and 2 years. But this one is the month after. You see it says 1 month. And if I move over, it says 1 month later. That's what the review is. Because I did this review first, and then a month later, I did this review right here. Which both times, as you saw, the first one got 12,000 views. That's the original. People saw it. And I guess they wanted to see it again. Another almost 10,000 views on the second one. And remind you, these are two short videos. The first one is only a little bit under 4 minutes, and the other one's a little bit over 6 minutes, under 7. And they both got those traction reviews because this is a great service. So when people are looking for this service, they come into my channel and they see it. And I know that a lot of people sign up for it and are still signing up for it because the creator, the owners of that service, reach out to me like, hey, a lot of people sign up to it. I'm like, yeah, people are happy with it. And people anytime somebody asks me what service I should get, I'm like, listen, I don't do it that much often, but the ones that I know is very popular and people are still using, which I still have, is this one right here. People are loving it. And that's the reason why I'm doing another review today. Now, of course, I'm not going to do it on here, guys. You guys know how YouTube is with this kind of stuff. So down below, you're going to go and find 2 links. One from my Rumble page and one from my Odyssey page. Click on those links and they will get the full uncensored version of the review. Because I'm going to go through the whole process, everything, how to get it, how to install it, go through the channels all over again, show you all the genres they have available. Everything they have to offer, I'm going to go through it. It's going to be probably like another 40-minute video there. So go check it out, guys. It's a great service. Just like I promoted back then, it is great. Because, again, like I said, I still use them from time to time. Because remember, I don't watch that much TV anymore. I don't have really time to watch it. But when I do use it, it's for like main events, like fights, pay-per-view, stuff like that. And they run great. And people that have been using it, that use it more than I do, are loving it. So that's why I'm pushing it again, because I know how good the service is. We're going to go with the price plan, everything on the channel. Just go over there, guys. And after you finish watching that video, guys, make sure you guys come back here and like the video if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because it does help the channel. All that good stuff, guys, because it is going to be great. So if you enjoyed the video, every other show you guys, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, guys, share the video so everybody's aware of this great service and they don't miss out. And on top of that, like I just mentioned earlier, If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys can keep getting notifications on whenever I go live or when I drop great new videos like this one, guys. Trust me, you do not want to miss out. Just like I'm doing this video, these are mostly for the people that haven't seen this service before and they're looking for a service. This service is still around. And like I tell you guys most of the time, sometimes services don't last that long. This service has been around since I've reviewed it 2 years ago, but apparently been around for 5 years. So hey guys, time to check them out. So guys, go and check them out. Enjoy and enjoy the rest of your day. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.